Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to enable mobile data button if it is not showing here. You can see in the toggle bar it is not showing. How you can enable. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the phone, the settings option. Click on this SIM card and mobile networks and click on the SIM, and here it is mobile networks. You can see this automatically choose preferred network. You have to enable this. And friends, if it is not showing there, you can see how you can enable it from the settings. Press back. You can see SIM card and mobile networks. You can see this. Click on it. At the first setting you can see mobile device. Allow this device to use mobile data. This is how you can enable this. You can see it is now working. And if you want to enable this mobile data settings on your toggle bar, then you have to how you can enable your mobile data icon to your status panel. So first you have to swipe up like this and swipe right. You can see this edit option. Click on it and you can see mobile data is here. Then you have to hold this and press it to there like this. I show you. Press this and you have to just click on this, and here it is, and click on done. And friends, you can see the mobile data icon is appeared. And friends, you can see, just press back. You can see it is showing right now. You can just turn off and turn off from it is a shortcut button. You can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.